Hi, I'm Kent Harvey Vicho. I'm a nursing student from LPU Batangas. This video was all about the psychosocial development of Erikson stage. My chosen topic is about the generativity versus stagnation. My interviewee details is his name is Sir Mark. His age is 35 years old. His gender is male. His occupation is a sterilization processing technician. His location is in Abu Dhabi, United Arab Emirates. I have some sets of interview questions, like around 10 questions. My first question to Sir Mark is, can you describe your current role and responsibilities in your job? As per Mark, ako ay nagtatrabaho sa Central Sterile Service Department or what we call CSSD, kung saan ako ang responsible sa paglilinis, pag-sterilize, pag-impake at pamahagi ng mga kagamitang pang-opera sa iba't ibang departamento ng ospital. Tinitiyak ko ang lahat ay napoproseso ayon sa pamantayan ng kaligtasan at infection control. My second question to Sir Mark is, how do you feel about the contribution you make to your work? As per Mark, kahit na ang aking trabaho ay hindi nakikita ng karamihan, ako ay labis na proud dahil alam kong nakakatulong ito upang panatilihing ligtas ang mga pasyente sa panahon ng operasyon. Binibigyan ako dito ng layunin at pakiramdam ng responsibilidad. My third question to Sir Mark is, what personal or professional goal are more important to you right now? As per Mark, sa profession, nais kong maging isang CSSD supervisor at kumuha ng mga certification upang mapaunlad ang aking kaalaman. Sa personal na buhay naman, nag-ipon ako upang suportahan ang aking pamilya at balang araw ay makapagsimula ng maliit ng negosyo sa Pilipinas. My fourth question is, have you experienced a time when you felt your life lacked direction or purpose? How do you handle it? As per Mark, oo. Nung kasagsagan ng pandemya, ako ay labis na napagod at naging emosyonal. Natanong ko sa sarili ko kung sulit pa ba ang lahat ng aking paghihirap. Nalampasan ko ito sa tulong ng mga kasamahan at sa paggunita kung bakit ako nagsimulang pumasok sa larangan ng healthcare. My fifth question to Sir Mark is, what way do you try to support or guide others, either at work or in your personal life? As per Mark, tinuturuan ko ang mga bagong staff at binabahagi ang aking mga kaalaman kung paano pamahalaan ng stress at manatiliin ang kalidad ng trabaho sa CSSD. Sa bahay naman, ginagabayan ko ang aking mga kapatid sa larangan ng edukasyon at wastong paghawak ng pera. My sixth question is, what motivates you to continue working in your profession? As per Mark, ang pag-alam ng aking trabaho ay mahalaga sa pagpigil ng infection at pagpanatili ng kaligtasan ng operasyon ay nagbibigay sa akin ng inspirasyon. Bukod pa rito, ang kakayanan kong tumulong sa aking pamilya sa Pilipinas ay isang malaking motibasyon. My seventh question to Sir Mark is, are there any activities or plans you are involved that give you sense of legacy or purpose? As per Mark, plano kong mag-enroll sa isang kurso ng certification upang balang araw ay makapagturo sa iba. Nais ko rin makatulong sa pagpapalaganap ng edukasyon pagkasukuyan ng aming lugar sa Pilipinas. Do you feel you are growing as a person? Why or why not? Yun ang 8 na tanong ko kay Sir Mark. As per Mark, oo, marami akong natutunan lalo na sa pasensya, pamumuno at disiplina. Ang pagtatrabaho at paninirahan sa ibang bansa ay nagtuturo sa akin maging mas responsibilidad at mas responsible at independent. My ninth question to Sir Mark is, how do you cope up with feeling of stagnation or burnout? As per Mark, kapag ako'y nakaramdam ng pagod, nagpapahinga ako sa araw ng aking day off. nakikipagkwentuhan sa mga kaibigan o nanonood ng mga kabuluhang video. Ang pagtatakda ng maliit na layunin ay tumutulong sa akin upang magpatuloy. So my last and 10th question to Mr. Mark is, what advice would you give to others your age about finding meaning in life? So as per Mark, mag-focus sa mga simpleng bagay na mahalaga. Tumulong sa kapwa, maging disiplinado at maging proud sa ginagawa. Hindi palaging mula sa malaki ang kahulugan ng buhay, kadalasan ay sa pagiging tapat na trabaho araw-araw. So, this is my summary about the developmental stage. So, the stage is generativity versus stagnation. Age range is middle adulthood, 30 to 65 years. Crisis is the need to contribute to society and help guide the need generations versus feeling of being unproductive or disconnected. Virtue is care. So, my interview summary is, Sir Mark is a 35 years old sterilization processing technician, reflect a strong sense of purpose in his role. He takes pride in maintaining safety and infection control within the hospital settings. For him, generativity is expressed through the improved mentoring of his new staff and his dedication to quality healthcare service. He admitted to facing a period of stagnation during the pandemic when long hours and isolation made him question his value. However, he overcame it by attending a professional developmental course and seeking peer support. He also finds fulfillment in financial supporting his family back home and sharing his knowledge with his junior staff. So, factors affecting crisis resolution. The facilitating factors is job satisfaction from contributing to patient safety. The second one is support from colleague and family, and the last is opportunities of skills development. The inhibiting factor is work fatigue and long shift, limited recognition for behind the scene role. So conclusion is, Sir Mark's experience shows he is navigating the crisis of generativity with resilience and dedication. Through challenged by occasional stagnation, he find meaning through mentorship, continuous learning, and supporting others, embodying Ericsson's idea for middle adulthood. That's all, and thank you.